Guys, welcome back. This is going to be lesson 3 and 4 grammar, and I think that this is where my video really kicks in, because I'm going to use the e-textbook that you're seeing it right now, and I'm going to literally explain first half of the video, the overview of lesson 3 grammar, and then lesson 4, and then followed by that I will use a Quizlet so that to show what you really need to show, what you really need to know the sentences. Those are the ones that coming to the test. But again, unless you understand the first half, you will really struggle in the Quizlet. So let's start. Okay, this is why today I'm gonna use the glasses. Now let's start. Alright, first one is that the counting people. Now, unlike English, we use a bit different from English, which is one person, two people, three people, four people. Japanese is a little bit more complicated, so let me write it down. 一人、二人、三人、四人、五人。Okay. Now, once you go to 3人、4人、5人, then it gets easier. But the first one is 1人 and 2人. Those are a bit exception. I hope that this is not too bad for you. Obviously, it goes to 6人、7人、8人、9人、10人. Okay, so that's not too bad. Okay, next one is asking and saying how many people. Okay, this one is, I think it was on the vocab too. 何人ですか? Okay. So, for example, if you want to ask about how many are the family member, you say 家族は何人ですか? 家族は何人ですか? Then, as an answer person, you say 家族は6人です. For example. That's a huge family, by the way. Next one is describing your family. Family name の名前です。Here it says 母の幸子です。Now, I did not teach you 母. I taught you お母さん。お母さんの幸子です。Okay. So this one is very useful. お父さんのジョンです。Stuff like that. Again, family name no nameです。Okay. Now here it says that if you have multiple member, you would say と。Okay. thingy と thingy と、for example, 家族はお父さんとお母さんと私です。Okay. Stuff like that. Again, と is and. And next one is particle が。ファミリーメンバーがブラブラにです。For example, 妹が2人です。Meaning that younger sister, I have two younger sister. Family member が counting family, which is this one, counting people です。Yeah. Now let's go to the right hand side. Asking about someone else family. Family member がいますか? For example, お兄さんがいますか? お母さんがいますか? Okay. Now, describing someone else family. Okay, if you want to describe someone, family member は adjective です。For example, お父さんは優しいです。Okay. お母さんは厳しいです。You have learned some adjective. Adjective means a describing word. Okay, taking your own family members. Okay, scratch this one. This is not that important. Okay, so then let's move on to lesson 4. Okay, now here we go. Oops. Alright, now. Alright, then what I'm gonna do is I am going to go lesson 4 and should say got it. Alright, this page. Okay, let's go with a single page. Alright, here we go. Now, got it. Talking about where you live. Okay. This one is どこ means where に or you can say place に東京にアリススプリングに住んでいます。I live in Alice Spring. Okay. Place にどこに Okay. Now, next one is どんな Okay. What kind of Okay. 東京はどんな街ですか東京はどんな街ですか Then you can say、東京は賑やかです。Yeah, so どんな means what kind. Next one is な adjective. You guys have learned some e adjective before. For example, 優しい I just use that. Another one is 厳しい or 明るい You have learned those e adjectives. Now here, you are also going to learn another type of adjective. It's called な adjective. For example, 静かな有名な For example, 静かな庭があります。Let me write it down. 静かな庭があります。Okay. Or 有名な町です。Now, note that you need this na if it is being followed by noun. Noun is a thingy. Okay. Then you need a na. Okay. But if you just say adjective but not followed by thingy, you do not need na. Now, I don't want to confuse you, so let me show you an example, which is this one. この町は有名です。Now, note that in this sentence, この this town topic maker 有名です。And 有名 is not being followed by a thingy, but it's just finished with this. So this is why you do not need na. Okay, now, 東京に住んでいます。In the lesson 3 previous section, I talked about place に住んでいます。Now, 札幌はラーメンで有名です。Now, let me see how I can explain. Okay, now, there is a reason. Okay, for example, ラーメンで有名です。Okay. Because you are famous because of ramen. Okay. So, reason で有名 reason で adjective. Okay. So that's how it works. で is for reason and に for just a place. Alright, now that's the overview of the grammar, and let's move on to that actual sentences. Now, we have only 10, so that means that on your grammar test, I will be asking all 10. Some are to translate into English, and the other is to translate into Japanese. So please repeat. I will give you ample time to repeat.
家族は3人です。父と母と私です。
Now, in case I forgot to explain, the chichi is otosan and haha is okasan, but these two words are describing about your own family, whereas okasan or otosan can be used for your family or someone else.
山中くんの家族です。お父さんとお母さんと弟とあきおくんです。母の幸子です。43歳です。母は面白いです。
Now this 面白い is funny. That's the adjective, obviously.
姉のユミです。18歳です。姉は明るいです。妹のあやです。9歳です。妹はかわいいです。京都は古い町です。794年にできました。美しいお寺があります。有名な神社もあります。静かな庭もあります。そして綺麗な舞妓さんがいます。京都駅は大きいです。とても賑やかです。京都のお土産です。おいしいお土産がたくさんあります。
Alright, that's about it. I recognize that this grammar is quite plenty of content, so I highly suggest that you go back to the beginning of this video to first understand the concept and then tackle those grammar sentences. Okay, good luck and see you next time. Sayonara.